Smoked fish stew. A main dish from Ghana. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Sautee onions in vegetable oil until soft but not brown. Step 2. Add fresh potatoes, crushed red pepper, and water. Step 3. Simmer with cover on for 15 minutes. Step 4. Debone the smoked fish. If smoked herring is used, soak it for 1 hour to remove excess salt. Step 5. Add the deboned, flaked fish and simmer for 10 minutes longer. Step 6. Correct the seasoning with salt, if needed, and pepper. Step 7. Add water if necessary to bring to stew consistency. Step 8. Serve with rice. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.